In this video, we will learn about starting the day with a positive mindset can greatly impact mental well-being. Engaging in activities like meditation or mindfulness can promote clarity and reduce stress. Incorporating exercise releases endorphins, boosting mood and reducing anxiety. Setting intentions or goals helps focus your mind and establish direction for the day, fostering a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment. You've come to the right place. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey to better health. Let's make wellness a way of life together. Here are some morning habits that can contribute to a healthy mind. 1. Meditation or mindfulness. Taking a few moments to meditate or practice mindfulness can help calm the mind, reduce stress, and increase focus for the day ahead. 2. Gratitude practice. Start your day by acknowledging things you're grateful for. This practice can shift your mindset towards positivity and increase overall happiness. 3. Hydration. Drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up helps your body after a night's sleep and kickstarts your metabolism, which can positively impact your mood and cognitive function. 4. Healthy breakfast. Fueling your body with a nutritious breakfast provides energy and stability throughout the day. Include foods rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to support brain function. 5. Exercise. Engaging in physical activity in the morning, whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or a workout session, releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Exercise also promotes better sleep and reduces stress and anxiety. 6. Set intentions or goals. Take a few minutes to set intentions or goals for the day. This can help provide direction and purpose, leading to a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction as you complete tasks. 7. Limit screen time. Minimize exposure to screens, such as smartphones or computers, immediately upon waking up. Instead, focus on activities that promote relaxation and mental clarity, such as reading, journaling, or spending time outdoors. 8. Deep breathing exercises. Practicing deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and anxiety, promote relaxation, and improve focus and concentration. 9. Personal growth activities. Dedicate time in the morning to engage in activities that promote personal growth and development, such as reading a book, listening to a podcast, or learning something new. 10. Establish a routine. Consistency is key for maintaining healthy habits. Establishing a morning routine that incorporates these habits can help you start each day on the right track and contribute to long-term mental well-being. Remember that everyone is different, so it's essential to find a morning routine that works best for you and fits into your lifestyle. Start with small changes and gradually build upon them to create a routine that supports your mental health and overall well-being. Your day with healthy habits can set a positive tone for your mental well-being. Thank you for watching. If you like video, then click on like and subscribe the channel for more updated videos.